Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the support team for Affirm by phone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in affirm.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Affirm website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you can proceed forward with logging in using your credentials. Or you can also proceed forward without logging in. Click on the help icon at the top right corner and you will be taken into the help center. Just scroll down and then click on the contact us button. You will now be shown various different issues that you can choose, which will guide you through the process of solving these issues. Click on something else and then click on the option which says that you are experiencing a technical issue which is not listed. You will now see the I still need help option. Go ahead and click on this and now you have the option to either chat with the support team or call them directly. You will find the phone number where it shows the call button. You can tap on this if you have your phone linked with your PC, or you can directly dial this number and then proceed forward with contacting the support team. You will then be put in touch with a representative that will guide you through the process of solving your issue. And there you have it. That is how you can contact the Affirm support team by phone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.